Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Pixel Perfect Lazy Gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco Pixel Base. You can use whichever is your personal favorite. For the lazy gradient today, I'm going to be using the Holo Taco Pixel Perfect collection, which I did receive as PR. The gold is Coin Toss. The orange is Bite My Peach. The pink is Control Cutie. The violet is Glitch and Glam. The purple is Lo-Fi Lavender. The blue is 8-Bit Blues, and the green is Bonus Life. For the lazy gradient, we're just going to go ahead and apply the polishes to about 2/3 of the nail, overlapping in the middle. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. As soon as I received this collection as PR, I kind of started thinking about a lazy gradient, and I'm really glad that I went through with it. I thought that calling it lazy made it feel low effort, but then one of my chatters suggested calling it a comfy gradient, and I magically felt a little better about it. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time for this holo, and if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VOD channel. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. Or if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.